Oh man, I can't believe I'm still using my old GoPro. We're gonna start this video out just like any other video. We're gonna get some gas. Okay, stand by. I gotta put my earplugs in.
12 seconds later.
Okay, now we're good. Almost 34,000 miles on this bike. Oh, I knew I should have went around this truck. What was I thinking? Good morning, you silly little people. So before I tell you where I'm going right now, what I'm doing for today, I just want to say, sorry for this clarity of this video. Let me explain. Well, as some of you may know, I did end up getting a new GoPro. I got the mic adapter, got my mic hooked up, got everything hooked up. Asked me if I bought extra batteries for my GoPro. Nope! So here we are, still using the old GoPro because I'm the biggest procrastinator you'll ever meet. Only with my stuff though. It's the only time I ever procrastinate. But I promise you, today I'm getting batteries. Suck it up. I'm gonna go to the most expensive electronics store ever, Best Buy. I'm gonna pick up a couple batteries. I should only need 3, right? So, I'm sorry for being a procrastinator and giving you guys another low quality 1080p video. God, I hate this highway. I have the bobblehead effect. You guys ride, you should know what the bobblehead is. When wind's hitting you, your head's kind of just, you can't control it, just kind of all over the place. Fast lane is always congested. Boggles my mind. Oh my god, it's like about 9 in the morning. Why is there so much car? Don't people go to work earlier nowadays? Or don't people work? That's my question. Why is there so much cars out at 9? And just to cover my ass before everyone says, well, why are you off? I'm off every other Friday, so this is my Friday off. That's why I work 11 hours a day. God, I just can't seem to pick winning lanes. Go there, Dodge. So I'm actually on my way to BHP Motorsports right now. I'm gonna have them adjust my chain. I tried, but I don't know. I just didn't want to f with it. So that's why I'm taking a bike. I'm gonna have them do that real quick. Of course, I get the most congested section. Yeah, I don't want to stay behind that truck full of carpet that can fall out. Yep, no thank you, not staying behind that truck either. That's a bike that he made into, I don't know. God, they always have so much nice bikes.
Eventually.
Well, that was quick. Oh, gotta put my earplugs in. I always forget my dang earplugs. I don't know why I always forget them. So that actually took a lot faster than I thought it was going to take. As soon as I got there, he pulled the bike right in and did it. And these people, no fucking gear whatsoever. I think it took them all of about 10 or 15 minutes just to change. And he kind of, the thing I like about all those guys over there, they actually look over your bike. They don't just, oh, you chain adjustment, just chain, kick you out the door. He adjusted my chain, he checked my tire pressure. While he adjusted the tire pressure, he said, he also let me know, hey, you know, your rear sprocket, he's like, I haven't seen your front one, but your rear sprocket looks a little like it's starting to get worn. Always satisfied with how they work on this bike. Again, BHP Motorsports, I'll link all this down below. That shop knows their shit. I've never had a bad experience with them. I should always double check if there's cops around. I never do. I don't have any mirrors on my bike. Someone else pointed that out. Not who. Really should get mirrors. It makes life a lot more convenient. Ooh, I smell pancakes. Be if I didn't get gas and hit traffic. Don't have time for this. Oh my God. I guess I can give you guys a quick little update on the Supra. So by the time you're seeing this video, I should have the Supra already back in my possession. If you guys aren't following my Instagram, you need to go follow my Instagram. Plug. Do post little stories, and I will update you guys with the Supra a little bit more on there than you will be seeing them on YouTube. So you get a little snippet beforehand. I'm gonna have to make you guys wait if you're interested in seeing the Supra a little bit more. You're going to have to wait because I'm not really gonna post too much on the car right away. I guess that's the only update I really have. When in doubt, just get in the slow lane. It's probably the fastest lane in California. Man, I just want to have fun on my bike, and this is not fun. People, go to work. So I think this is where we're going to go ahead and conclude it right after I split. Sorry, this video might have been a little bit shorter than normal and kind of boring. For all those that continue to watch the videos, I thank you for your support. For all those new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys are aware of when I upload a new video. And again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay hungry, stay humble, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then.